Hello there everybody. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing. I got a little surprise for all of us and the car today. So I just got this in the mail. I'm not even sure if this is the right thing, but I'm just excited to open it. So I figured I'll do an unboxing. See the box here. I don't even know if this is the one that I'm thinking I'm going to open today. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right. Yeah, it is the one that I'm expecting, guys. So check this out. All right. So this is the Escort M1 dash cam. So if you can see it there. Actually just found this item on Instagram and I jumped on it right away because I already have an Escort Max 360 and check it out. So that's an Escort Max 360. That is the stock suction cup that mounts to the windshield, and it attaches to that. So you can plug the power from what I have, which is a mirror tap, into this, and then from here it will plug to here. So it's a very user-friendly and compact radar detector and dash cam. So let's go ahead and open this box, see what it looks like. I don't want to ruin the box because just in case I need to return it, I don't want to do that. I have very clumsy fingers, so not very good at opening things. So this might be my first and last unboxing video. Because I'm not very good at it. Okay, cut it out. So, like I said, I saw this on Instagram. I think this is a brand new product from Escort. And there's really not a lot of videos online about this product. So I'm just excited to, you know, do an unboxing and show this to you guys because I don't know many people that have this product yet. See, I can't even open it. There you go. Fingers. And there's another box inside the box. Okay. I don't know how to open this. I guess that way. Man, there's so many boxes. There's another box inside this one. Come on. Okay. There you go, guys. And inside you will have the dash cam. Here's the dash cam. And I think this is the one that you connect to the suction cup mount. And this is the power supply, so I'll have to configure this and this how this is gonna work. But that's the dash cam, and then comes with the USB adapter and the replacement screw for the mount. It's a little longer screw, and you have the information packet. That's what's inside this 3 boxes. So I'll let you know that this dash cam is $200. So it goes like that. I think $200 on the Escort site, but currently they're doing a discount on it with a promo code. I'm not sure what the promo code is, but it comes out to be $150. So I jumped on it. That's why I bought it, because look how compact that is. The way it works, you have an app that will work with this, but I'll make another video for the specifics and all. So I'm super excited to have this. I'm glad I'm able to show you guys this Escort M1 dash cam. I'll put the link in the description below, so you guys, if you're interested, you guys can get this for yourself. But let's go ahead and take a look at how it's going to install in the car. So I guess it's gonna be like this. It's gonna connect here, and the power supply is gonna come to there. So let me that's kind of how it's gonna look like. Hope you guys can see that. Just a little mock-up of how it's gonna look like. So hopefully this will work out. It also comes with since I have a what do you call mirror mount, a blend mount, mirror mount. Blend mount actually made an adapter so you can use your blend mount, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it on the blend mount. I'm just going to use the suction cup mount for now, so I can move it from here. When I move the radar detector from here to that Jeep over there, when we travel long distances, I can move the dash cam and the radar detector if I don't connect it to the blend mount. That's the suction cup that came with the Escort Max. So I'll make another video installation of that, but that's kind of how it looks like. Hope you guys can see that, and if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description below. Hopefully I can get the discount code also, so you can get the price that I got it from. I got it for $150, original price $200, but you know, there's a lot of crazy drivers out there. I want to make sure, you know, I have a video record of what could possibly happen. But I'll make a video on the actual installation of this product, and we'll go from there. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Click the like if you like it, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. That will really help the channel. All right, thank you, and take care.